just wanted to show you how much stone we put in our French drain systems. The more stone, the better the drain. The more stone, the faster you're going to evacuate the water. The more stone, the longer the drain lasts. As you can see, our trench is completely filled with stone. We don't put any of the dirt back in. Now, this was not created with a trencher. This was dug out with an excavator. To be able to have a channel of stone like this, to build a French drain like this, you can't use a trencher. You're going to end up with 1/10 of the stone. All the contractors that are using the trenchers know that because the pipe's 4 inches wide and the trencher is going to make a 6-inch groove. So you end up with 1 inch of stone on each side of the pipe. They'll put a little bit of stone on top of the pipe after that, and then most of the time they don't have a means of hauling away the dirt, and they don't want to go through the effort of hauling away the dirt, so they push it back in on top of the stone. So now you don't have to buy as much fabric for the trench, you don't have to buy as much stone, and you're not paying for haul away. So the contractor ends up making away with the homeowner's money. Every French drain failure happened at the install. I can't stress that enough. We build a French drain system to last. We build a French drain right the first time. If you're looking for a French drain and you want it built right, give us a call.